At Celonis, one of our core values is Earth is our future. We make it a priority to help companies, large and small, meet their sustainability targets. While optimizing the supply chain is a great way to start reducing waste, most ERP systems aren't built for tracking sustainability KPIs. That's where Celonis' EMS can help. Take commercial shipping as an example. No company wants to send out partially loaded trucks. It's expensive, time-consuming, and ultimately results in higher emissions. However, without the exact dimensions of an order, it can be difficult to estimate how much space you'll actually need. One trick that's worked for our teams in the past is to use the weight of a product and the quantity ordered to estimate how much space your order will require. Utilizing process mining, you can organize your inventory and work with your load crews to ensure that you're sending out full containers, which means fewer trucks on the road, resulting in fewer emissions.